Peter Adams here, Product Manager for Fiber at Amphenol Telect. Today I want to talk about the benefits of our pre-terminated solutions and give you an overview of the installation process on our C2LINX panel. The solution provides fast installation time and decreases your overall cost per port. Ordering is simple. Using our part number configurator, you can customize the solution that meets your needs. The panel comes standard with a rotating spool, allowing the installer to pull the stub end of the cable to the destination without adding strain on the fiber. There's also a pickup spool at the top, which allows the final slack to be available when finalizing the installation of the panel in the rack. The installation process is simple with our quick start guide. Be sure to follow this installation process to ensure the best results. Step 1. Place the crate box in the deployment location at the back side of the rack and remove the packaging. After unpackaging, pull the stub end of the fiber into your network. Let the spool spin freely. Remove the chassis from the packaging and prepare the mounting brackets for installation into the rack. Install the rack-mounted side brackets from the front end of the rack with the provided hardware. Lift the panel into the mounting location and lock it into place. Be sure to check that the indicator shows the panel is fully locked into position, then tighten the brackets into the rack. Lastly, install the link assemblies on the front of the chassis. Be sure to install these prior to the chassis being installed to ensure the panel slides easily into place. As with all Amphenol Telect products, we offer unlimited technical support with our application engineering team to support you through every part of the process. Thanks.